Hi guys, it is me Ada. Welcome to my channel. So in this episode I am going to continue with my trying to get a Brazilian butt for the summer. I want to look good for the summer so that when I wear my bikini or my bathing suits, I am not feeling shy. I want to be feeling very comfortable and confident, okay? And the only way to do that is to get this body in shape, especially this box size. So let me help you guys out and show you what you can do, okay? Because we're not trying to do surgery. We're not having anything implanted there, okay? So we want to get it naturally, and this is how you can do it. So join me and let's get this Brazilian butt going. We're gonna do squats, just the basic squats, all right? Right now, all you do is just stick out your butt like that and just go down and up and squeeze. 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 I think that's 5 and 6 and 7. Do it about 15 times. And then you take a break. And 8 and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, that was 15, okay? And that's it. So you basically just squatting, right? And you do it 15 times, and then we're gonna do something else. Let's do this one. This one works out the inner thighs. Okay, so we're just basically going like this. That's 2. And we'll do it about 15 times as well. And that's 4. And that's 5. And 6. And 7. And as you're doing this, you're kind of sucking in your stomach, so that it's also working your stomach. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So that's that. We're gonna do the squats like this time. Right? Stick it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. All right? You just squeeze it, and hold, squeeze, 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 squeeze. Kick back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? The other side. 1, 2, 3, normally I'd be holding on to something, but I don't want to go too far away so that you can still see me. But you can put your arms out like this to balance. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right? Do this regularly 3 times a week, and you will see that the butt will start to grow. All right? You do not need to have anything implanted there. You just need to. A little bit of work will take care of it for you. So you don't have to spend all of that money. You don't have to go under the knife and then have to deal with recovery. Yeah, so you just do it the natural way, and that booty will grow on you. All right? So I hope that was helpful. So try it, all right? And so like the video, subscribe to my channel so we can do this together all the time, all right? Okay, take care, and I will see you next time. Bye.